Hello, I am Lysosome. It's great to see you all today. I am here to hopefully convince you to vote me as the president of the cell. Hashtag Lysosome for president. Here are some diagrams of me and where I am located in the cell. As you can see, I love to clean. I destroy viruses and bacteria in the cell and break down the cell parts before they can harm and destroy the cell. I help the development and variety of cells. I serve as the digestive system of the cell. I degrade material taken up from outside the cell and digest obsolete components of the cell itself. I contain an array of enzymes capable of breaking down all types of biological polymers, such as proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. I am also necessary for the functioning of endosomes, autophagosomes, and phagosomes. Endosomes sort and transport materials before fusing with me for degradation. Autophagosomes form during autophagy and merge with me to recycle cell parts. Phagosomes engulf large particles and combine with me to break them down. In summary, here are the 3 biggest reasons you should vote for me. Number 1, I destroy viruses and bacteria in the cell. Number 2, I help a damaged cell self-destruct in programmed cell death, breaking down the cell parts before they can harm and destroy the cell. Number 3, I help the development of cells. Now, here is why you shouldn't vote for the other organelles. None of the other organelles would be able to do their job if it weren't for me, the lysosome. I help degrade unneeded material within the cell, including worn-out cell parts and invading viruses and bacteria. So, the nucleolus, cytoskeleton, rough ER, smooth ER, and cell membrane would be nothing without me. To state a couple of examples, the cell membrane transports nutrients into the cell, but the cell wouldn't be able to use these nutrients if it weren't for me. I help to break down these nutrients so the cell can actually use them. Also, the proteins the rough ER synthesizes would not be useful to the cell if not for me. This is for the opponents who slander my name. I would not be dysfunctional if it weren't caused by a defective enzyme activator, membrane activator, or membrane protein. The true cause is based on inheritance, a change in mutated gene received from the parents, in which all of the organelles also have a similar probability of becoming a mutated gene and being disruptive to the human body system. Here are the facts. My enzymes would digest all materials transferred by all of the organelles in order for the human to absorb the necessary nutrients and operate properly. The cell would be a dirty, mucky, virus-filled mess if it weren't for me. I keep the cell clean. Nobody wants to live in a dirty home, so vote for me, the lysosome. Thank you for your consideration, and have a great rest of your day.